Hello students, today we are going to see multiplication by using Vedic maths method. See how easy Vedic maths method is. So here first we'll start with the simple example which is one digit multiplication. So here I'll take example 9 and 7. Now this 9 and 7 multiplication, but still we are solving here to understand the method. So here we'll take a base for this. If one digit is there, you have to take a base 10. So I'll take a base 10. Now we have to find the difference between 10 and 9. So 10 and 9, what is the difference? It is 1. So I am going to write it here. So that is difference. So I'll give a minus sign at the top. Now again second difference, 10 and 7. What is the difference? It's 3. So I'll write 3. Now here, starting multiplication, 1 into 3. How much? 1 into 3? 3. So I'll write it here down. Separation. Now here you have to subtract diagonally. See, this way you have to subtract or you will subtract this way. So 9 minus 3 you have to do, or you have to do 7 minus 1. So 9 minus 3, how much it is? 6. So the multiplication is 63. So once you practice, go on practicing, you will find this method is so easy. One more sum we'll see for this. Second sum is 7 into 8. Now tell me the difference of 7 and 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So here it will come 3. And 8 and 10. What is the difference? It's 2. So 2. Now do the multiplication. 3 2s are 6. And now diagonally just do the subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5. So remember, this way you have to do the multiplication and this way you have to do, that is diagonally you have to do the subtraction, and you will get the answer easily. So 56 is the multiplication of 7 into 8. So this is one digit multiplication. Now we are going to see two digit multiplication. So here I am going to write two digit multiplication. So for that I will take the numbers 97 into 93. These two numbers. Hard to multiply? No, it is not so hard. See now, it's very easy to find. Again, the same method. We have to take a base for this. As we have taken 10 for one digit, for two digit, what will be the base? This 10 will convert it into 100. So remember that when we are doing two digit multiplication, base will be 10. If you are doing three digit multiplication, base will be 1000 and so on. So here 100 is a base. Now again the same method you have to follow, that is find the difference between these two numbers. So 100 and 97. What is the difference? It's 3. So I'll write it here. 3. What is the difference? 100 and 93. What will be the difference? It's 7. Easy to do the subtraction also. So now we are going to do the multiplication. 3 sevens are how much? It's very easy. 21. Okay. Remember this way multiplication. And diagonally you have to do subtraction. Remember this. 97 minus 7. What it is? It is 90. And within a second you will get an answer that 97 into 93 will be 9021. One more sum. Now students, we are going to see the second multiplication with the two digit. I have taken two numbers 98 and 95. So again see how to do this multiplication in very easy way. Now immediately you can find 98 and 100. What is the difference? It's 2. So write it here. 95 and 100. What is the difference? 5. So write it here. Okay, easy to do. Now do the multiplication. Take vertical numbers. Do the multiplication. 2 5s are 10. And do the diagonal subtraction. Remember, diagonally subtraction. 98 minus 5. What it is? It's 93. Yes, if you have any doubt, you can do do this subtraction also and you can check. These two subtractions should be same, remember. So answer will be 9310. Isn't it easy? One more sum we'll take for this. One is 89 into 96. We'll select these two numbers. Now fast tell me the difference between 89 and 100. It's 11. So 11 and the difference is 4. Now I think yours easily find it. 11 into 4 is 44 and this way subtraction 89 minus 4 what it is? 85. Or you can check this way also. 96 minus 11 it is also 85. So our answer is 85 44. So without doing any calculation, long method, Bohr method, it is easy to do the calculation very fast. Now one more sum I'll take. 98 into 97. Okay. Now it is easy to find. Yes. So this is 2 minus 3 minus. Now multiply. 2 3s are 6. 98 minus 3 or you can do 97 minus 2. It is 95. But here, wait. Now in these two multiplications, what you find after slant line? Here is a slant line and after that how many digits you can observe? There are 2 digits. In this also observe how many digits are there after a slant line? 2 digits are there. And now in this sum, how many digits are there? Only 1 digit, isn't it? So now this we have to convert 1 digit into 2 digit. So how to add? How to do this? 1 digit into 2 digit? By just adding 1 0 here. So our multiplication will be 9506. Yes, you can check in the calculator also. Okay, now student, we have seen method with the 2-digit multiplication and that too the numbers which are easy to subtract from 100, which are nearer to 100. Now if the numbers are given away from 100, how the subtraction is little bit hard to do the subtraction. So there is one more method of doing the multiplication. So I'll write the number 54 and 56. Here also you can use same method, but for this if you see the previous method, that is base 100, these two numbers are hard to subtract within a second. Okay, so now for this one more method, so that we'll see now. In this method what to observe, when to use this method. For this there are two conditions. First one is your unit place addition should be 10. Listen one more time. Your units place 4 and 6 are your units place. So units place addition should be 10. So 4 plus 6 is what? 10. And 10's place should be same. So 10's place 5 and 5. So same number is there in the 10's place. So two conditions. Units place addition should be 10 and 10's place number should be same. So if two conditions fulfilled, then you can use this method and within a second you can get the answer. So here now, in this 4 and 6, what is the multiplication? First you have to do unit place multiplication. So 4 6 are 24. Okay. Now find out the number which comes after 5. Immediately comes after 5. So after 5 what number comes? 6. So firstly you will write it here and as you practice you can do it mind work. So now 6 and 5 we have to do the multiplication. 6 5s are 30, that you have to put on this. So ready your multiplication? You can check with the calculator. 54 into 56 will be 3024. One more, we'll see the sum. Suppose I have taken 63 into 67. Again check our condition, check our rules. What is the first rule? Our units place addition should be 10. So 3 and 7 addition is 10 and tens place number will be same and that is there. So we have to multiply now the units place. 3 into 7. How much it is? 21. What number comes after 6? It's 7. Multiply with 6. 7 6 are 42. So the answer will be 4221. We'll take one more number. Suppose if I take 71 into 79. Again check the condition. 9 plus 1 is 10 and the same number. 9 into 1 multiplication. 9 ones are 9. 7 after number 8. 8 sevens are 56. But here again, like previous, in this place we want units place multiplication, we want 2 digit. Here we got only 1 digit. So what to do? We have to increase 1 digit with the 0. So students, you have to do practice. More and more practice you will do, more and more your multiplication will be perfect. Thank you. So students, now here I have written 10 questions for you to do. So copy down these questions and try it by yourself. Thank you. आता करत आहे.